Hello everyone, welcome for this little video about the TradingView alerts. So I will show you how you can place your alerts and how you can manage them. So let's start with the most easy alerts. It's the horizontal one for each price. So for example, you would like to get an alert on TradingView if the price of Bitcoin, if Bitcoin is hitting, let's say 52K, you want to have an alert. So you just have to click on the plus on the right here at the price you want to be alerted. So for example, here, 52K here. You just click on add alert for BTC USD. And here it is. Your alert is made. So when the price reach this point, you will have either a beep beep or something like this on your TradingView. But you can change that. You just click right on this and click edit. And here you have some things you can modify. Here you just don't touch because it's on BTC USD and you want to be alerted if the price is crossing, but you can choose only crossing up, crossing down, for example, greater than, etc. We stay with crossing the value. You can change the price here. So I will put 52K. And you have options to get alerted only once. So your alert will be triggered once and then it disappears. Or every time. If you click on every time, each time the price is crossing 52K, you will be alerted. You can choose an expiration time. So, for example, if you say I want to be alerted until end of the month, after this month I don't want to be alerted anymore. You just click here and you choose the date where you want to be ended for the expiration. Personally, I click on open-ended, so the alerts stay live all the time. This is only a premium option. If you check here, different packages for TradingView, you have the basic one, which is free. You have the Pro Plus, and Premium. I took the Premium because in the alerts, the duration of the alerts is infinite. So, for example, for all the other plans, you have to renew all the alerts after 2 months. But in Premium, it stays live for months and years. So this is why I choose Premium. And in Premium, you have access to 400 alerts. With the Pro Plus, it's only 100, Pro 20, and Basic, it's only 1 alert. So for free TradingView accounts, you just have 1 alert. You also have the possibility to have webhook notifications. So you can add here an URL to be alerted with a webhook. You can receive an email and you can also get text messages, but the first time I trade, it doesn't work. So I'm just using email and notify on app. So I have the TradingView app on my iPhone, and I get all the notifications pop up on my iPhone. It's a really good thing. So you can add a message to your alerts too. For example, BTC crossing my buying targets or something like this. You can change the sound of the alert and you just click save and your alert is here. You can also click write and add alert here. So you can put alerts on price, but you can put alerts on something else. So for example, trend line. So you just put a trend line like this and you say, I would like to be alerted if the price cross this trend line. So you just have to click right and add alert on trend line. So you have all the possibilities too here, and you can modify everything you want for this alert. Each time, so for example, here we have an alert on this trend line. If you modify the trend line, not this one, but yeah, if it's triggered, if the trend line is triggered, so the alert is 2. When you replace the trend line, the alerts will be modified too. So this is not the case because it's not triggered yet, but if it's triggered, it will be modified. Oh, yes. So this is for the main goal of alerts. You can also put alerts on indicators, for example, RSI. So I have the RSI here, and let's say I would like to be alerted if the RSI cross 50. I just have to click and add alerts. Here it is. My alert is done. And the same thing is you can do with trend lines and add alerts. Here it is. So I hope it helped you. It's a very little video, but it's really helpful to me to have alerts, notifications on my phone and so on to enjoy the off-time market, the off-market time, sorry, because if something is happening, I have directly alerts on my phone. So goodbye everyone and Merry Christmas and let's meet at the new year 2022. Bye bye.